Hi, this is Bhargav, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I've joined Electronics and Communication Engineering in Hindustan University in Chennai, and recently, 3 days back, I've got selected in Shadowfax through Career Labs. It was an aha moment in my life. When we were in third year BTech, some of the Career Lab guys come into college and explain about Career Lab strategy, and they're explained about what companies are required. What companies are looking for in students, what they're looking for in students. They've explained everything. What made I've chosen Career Labs is something, compared to other institutes. We have called so many institutes about this thing, GRE courses, because we are looking for to take masters. So what made I choose in Career Labs is two things. One is online classes plus offline classes, and extra thing is tab. Career Labs give you a tab which is inbuilt videos. You can see whenever you want all the syllabus, whatever you take in the course, whether it's placements or whether it's GRE, whether it's TOEFL, whatever you've chosen, all inbuilt videos are there in the tab. You can choose whenever you want. That was the greatest thing I've seen it. So I've taken Career Labs, and one statement what Career Labs stated in our college, I felt love in that sentence. They've said one sentence: if you go with placements, we won't leave you until unless you placed, or if you go with masters, we won't leave you until unless if you fly. In a sense, that's mean until unless you go to abroad to doing MS, so we won't leave you. They said that was the best sentence I've heard, and it's 100% proved. That's why I've chosen Career Labs. My mentor, her name is Kritika ma'am. She helped me a lot in my profile building part. Every month she called and asked about how you're going through in Career Labs. What are the things you learned in this month? And what are the challenges you're facing in Career Labs? Is there any challenges? Tell me, I'll do that. And all the things she asked me every month. She called me and asked these doubts, and she clarified everything. I'm having some doubts about some GRE and how I need to apply the countries, how I need to apply the colleges. All she explained everything. Every month she'll calling and explain about this starter pack. This pack helps you a lot in not only in colleges, even in your placements. Career Labs offered me 10 types of courses. Then I've chosen 6 among that. One is Python, Java, data structures, and DBMS, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. I've completed all this and I've got certificates. Once you did that, you'll get certificates in Python, Java. All those it helped me in placement training, and artificial intelligence and machine learning helped me in my project, in my final year project. I've did it in image processing, so it helped me a lot. All those 6 starter packs. It was a beautiful thing that I had. And coming to advanced courses, they'll offer you one advanced course. So I've chosen Python. If you choose advanced course, they'll start training from core. From the basics they'll start. Advanced courses I've chosen Python. Every day you're having 2 to 3 hours of training for 2 months. That is a 2 months program. In 2 months, in 60 days, every day it's 2 hours. All the Python courses, all the basics and programming they've explained. So it also helped me in my final year project. It's based on Python. The support team, I used to send a mail to Career Labs when I'm having any doubts about placements or my masters. Actually, I've switched to masters to placements because of some issues. So whenever I send mail to Career Labs, immediately they've responded. That was the best thing I've remembered throughout my Career Labs this 6 months or 1 year. Whenever I got the mail, whenever I send the mail, they've responded within a half a day or within 3 to 4 hours. That is the best part. Even for the placements, whatever I'm having doubts, I'll call to the particular ma'am, my mentor, or some other support staff. They'll receive the call and they'll explain about everything. They'll explain about all my doubts. That was the best thing I've remembered. Calls and mails. That was superb. If you want to do masters or if you want to go with placements, I suggest that Career Labs would be the best, because as I said, if you leave the Career Labs, they won't leave you until unless you'll get placed, or until unless you go to masters. Because why I'm saying that, in my aspect, that is proved. I left Career Labs for some time. I didn't lift their calls, I didn't responded the mails, but still every day I used to see the Career Labs mails. I used to see the calls from mentors, even I didn't pick. So this is the best part from Career Labs. If you are interested, if you give 50%, at least if you give 50%, they're going to give 100%. No doubt about that. If you give just 50%, definitely you will get placed. Or if you choose masters, if you just give 50%, they'll give 100%. With that, definitely you'll achieve everything what you want through career labs. These people are very good. Some institute I've seen, they've left you. If you don't have interest, if you're not responding, they leave you. But coming to career labs, if you are not responding also, if you're not doing well also, they'll advise you, they'll do everything what you want, and they'll get you placed everything. Recently I've placed in Shadowfax, as I said, through career labs, with the role of a lead associate, with a package of 3.5 fixed and 50k variable package. So totally it's 4 LPA, and there are 3 rounds of it. 2 technical interviews and 1 HR interview. There is no written test in it. So first round is technical interview. I've cleared it. After clearing, Career Labs called me and tell you are selected in first round. So you are ready for next round. Yes, I said. And second round is also technical round. I've selected it. And again, Career Labs ma'am called me and said you are selected and ready for the HR round. So the last round is HR round, and HR round as well as I selected. And Career Labs ma'am called me and said that you are selected in HR, and finally now so they'll release my offer letter. So it was the best part. As I said, it's a haha moment in Career Labs and as well as my life. I'm thankful to Career Labs because I've placed through Career Labs. Thank you very much, Career Labs.